So you've probably heard the term Gucci Glock. Gucci Glocks are really nothing more than a standard Glock with some tricked out parts on it to make it look extra fancy. So what are you supposed to call it when you pimp out an AR-15? Armani AR? So today here at ATF Hydrographics, that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take this AR pistol and make it extra fancy. Stick around, I'll show you how we do it. So before we jump too far in the video, just want to give everyone a really quick reminder that we need your help to continue staying successful here on YouTube. In order for us to continue putting out these videos, we need interaction from you guys. There's 3 really quick and easy things that you can do to help us remain successful here on YouTube. 1, watch the video all the way through, beginning to end. Don't skip around, don't just go to the bloopers. I know they're funny, but watch the entire video. It'll really help us out. 2, make sure that you go below and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you can be notified every time we come out with a new cool video. We try to upload at least 1 dipping video every single week. And 3, when you get to the end of the video, if you liked what you saw, make sure that you smash that thumbs up button. We appreciate everyone's help. So here is the AR that we're going to be dipping today. This is a Diamondback 5.56 pistol. I have already taken it all apart, as well as the drum mag that we're going to be dipping. Let me get this stuff out of the way and I'll show you the pattern that we're going to be using. We're always looking for new video ideas for cool things to dip. So if you have an idea of something that you want to see us dip on our channel, go down in the comment section below, leave us a comment, tell us what it is, and we will consider it for an upcoming video. So here is the pattern that we're going to be using today. This is Reduced Insanity. If you've watched the channel before, you've seen us use this before. It is a really cool skull pattern. If you haven't seen the channel before, we have 2 versions of Insanity. We've got the large one over here and then the reduced size version over here. For pistols and firearms, usually the Reduced Insanity works the best, so that's what we're going to be doing on this one. But we are not going to be using this base coat color. Today, we are using metallic bright orange. And because this AR pistol is going to be extra fancy, we are not going with our regular flat clear today. Today, we're going to do it in high gloss. So while you guys are checking out the final footage of this pistol, let me go over a few things on it real quick. First off, we started with a metallic bright orange base coat. We did our reduced insanity pattern, and this one is topped off with our high gloss clear coat. We have several different clear coat options for you. If you don't like high gloss, you can also do flat. I have a video that I'll link to right up above that explains all about the different clear coat options that we have. So on this rifle, the customer wanted as many things dipped as possible, so we got everything, the upper, the lower, the handguard, the buttstock, and we're even able to take off part of the optic and dip the hood for the optic. The only things we did not dip in this project was things like the buffer tube, the barrel, the muzzle device that's on the end of it, and then the small parts kits and bulk carrier group. Everything else though got dipped, and it looks really cool. So if you have something that you want to get dipped, you can check out our website, atfhydrographics.com. There you'll find a huge pattern gallery of all the cool patterns that we have available, and you can pick one that's right for your next project. Also, you'll find our contact information there and how you can get yourself a free quote. If you love what we do and you want to help support the channel, you can do so by visiting our affiliate links down in the description section. They are to Amazon and Brownells. There you will find many of the really cool, useful things that we use here in the shop every single day. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next week. All right, we can do this. We're going to get it all right the very first try. So before we jump, that didn't last long. The barrel and the what's the screwy-on-y thingy at the end? Muzzle thing, muzzle. Just want to give everyone a quick reminder that we will consider it for something. We'll consider it for something. The muzzle thing, muzzle brake, muzzle. What is it called? Muzzle brake? Is it muzzle brake? Or is it muzzle device? Muzzle. I don't. There's really three. There's three really. We have, as well as what was that? Oh my, what the? If you leave a comment right now, good things will happen. I think. I hope. Maybe. A few things on the rifle so that you guys know, or it's not a rifle, it's a pistol. I always mess that up. See parts on? Final footage of that pistol. We're gonna make this. God, this thing's heavy. Things like the crap. I said You're checking out the final footage of the what was it that we dipped? For this video, don't forget to like and stuff and